I created a lot of shit that niggas take credit for.
Yo, young boy, what's
but
your
I'm
name,
content
bro?
with that.
How you say your name, young Lucy?
Drive the Rolls Royce real fast with a big bang.
I got my son working out. This is that workout plan. As y'all see, look at him. Oh.
Got my son right now with me. Gonna be working out. Show y'all what we do. Hey, he already ready. Good shot. Got your eyes closed while you dribbling? Okay, I see your tricks now. Okay.
He gotta play soccer with the basketball. Only him. I do it too though, as y'all see.
What's up? Good shot, dude. Make sure you dribbling with that head up, all right? You trying to take my ball? He just threw my ball in here. Look at him. He said, you're not going to play. You're going to throw my ball over there. He said he only want me to record him hoop. Hey, I'm finna get ready and dunk at my son. What you say?
And my dad's gonna dunk. He's gonna make a triple dog dunk.
A triple dog dunk is coming from me. Watch this, y'all.
He's gonna dunk. Dunk.
Good shot. Keep bringing it back to the same spot on every side and shoot. Get your rebound. Now go to the other side. Good shot. Good shot.
You got 4 more shots, baby Chico. Uh-oh. Come on, we got it.
4 more. Good shot. Good shot. As y'all see, baby Chico G, he's tired, so he's finna go get him something to drink, as y'all see. And me, I'm just gonna sit right here. So we just had to take a brief intermission because my son, like I say, it's hot outside, so I'm making sure that he's staying hydrated. Here he's go right here. He's back. He said, where's my ball? Your ball right there. You ready? Workout. I got my son working out. This is that workout plan, as y'all see. Look at him. Oh. Good shot. Good shot. Oh, it almost went in. It's okay. You got it next time. Good shot. Good shot. High five. High five for the camera. There you go. We need 500 likes for every shot that he makes. He said 250. 250 likes for every shot he makes. Oh, one more. We need one more out of you.
If I don't score one more time, then don't give us 150 likes.
Good shot. He said now he needs 150 likes because he hit that shot. Oh, he just kicked the ball at me. He said, I need my drink. See, he's dead. Hey, you hear the alarm going off too. That means that the session is over. As y'all see, that's perfect timing.